Hey, what's up? We're taking the final load of beds to Bubugo kayaking school, and while we're there we're going to do a little bit of kayaking, surfing, supping. We got a crew together. We're just here loading up the final beds onto the roof.
So we're taking these mattresses to Bubugo kayaking school, and we started with a slippery drive. The boys are sitting up there to make sure that the mattresses are super tight. We're excited.
So the truck's all loaded, we got the kayaks, we got the mattresses and the paddleboard, strapping them all down on top. Video. Yeah.
We are with Bosco, the chief of Bubugo Banana Kayak School. We've been working together for a long time, delivering buoyancy aids, spray decks. This year we delivered some paddles, which are just over here. And today we're delivering 10 of the level 1 mattresses for the supporters around the world. So Bosco, looking forward to it.
You're most welcome, Tommy and the team. We really appreciate Think People, Think Story for thinking about the Bubugo Banana Kayak School and also donating mattresses and other equipment for the using on the river. We really appreciate.
Hey, no problem.
You're most welcome.
We appreciate your friendship and we look forward to delivering the mattresses real quick, and then we're going to go down to the river and have a play for the afternoon, yeah?
Then also,
Vale.
Nathan, this is your boy. He's going to sleep well.
Yep. We just delivered the mattresses. The team is here behind. Anything you want to say, Bosco?
we really appreciate Tommy with the team for donating, supporting mattresses and other equipment to our school. May God bless everyone.
Tukawukomeza tweyanziza yebala otuyambirako abaana baife kyetuliko abantu aka thank you
tusaba abaana baife mbasobola bagemaku basome bona babe bulungi nga imwe bwe muli tusanuike ino.
The name is Bubugo Nicholas. I thank Tom with his team for helping our team.
Baking hot. We've suited and booted. Some paddleboarders have gone that way. Some kayakers have gone this way. Cyrus is just taking off. Absolute pleasure finishing the Sleepwell Project 2024 here with Phase 5 and Bubugo Kayaking School. Can't thank everyone that's supported enough. We're off to go and play in the river. We're about to Kafumba. Moon that way, and we have the sun that way.